guys, just decided to make a quick video on this. I'm working up in an attic space, and if you could tell with my channel, you're going to see a lot of different things that I do. I do all kinds of stuff other than just fixing cars. But anyway, if you look here, I'm having a problem with the insulation blowing in on my roof. Soffit and fascia isn't finished yet. That'll block the wind really good. Decided to go with batt insulation on my edges. As you can see, I opened it up, cleaned it up, and I'm going to put the batt insulation. I would recommend, if you're going to blow in insulation, do your edges like this. This would work really good. Then you can blow over your batt insulation and it won't blow around all over the place. Because I notice this in a lot of places when I look up in an attic space like this. I've been a roofer a long time as well, but this always seems to be a problem. People get heat loss, they get frost buildup in your roof. I don't know if you could see that from the heat loss. If you don't properly insulate your roof well, as you can see, this one only covers the joist hangers, or whatever you want to call them, the joists that go across. You should have a good, you should be well above that. If you look here, you should have at least 12 to 16 inches, maybe 18 inches. You want good insulation anyway. Whatever's recommended for the size of your roof. The attic space, more is better than not enough. But yeah, quick video on that. Just a quick tip on insulating attic space and blowing in insulation. That's what happens when you don't do your edges properly. Insulation will blow in. It'll blow all your stuff all over the place. Unless you're getting spray foam, this is a good way to do it, unless you just want to spray it in and you have your edges pretty good and the wind's not blowing in. But yeah, that's a quick video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.